guys, and welcome back to my YouTube channel. My name is Mallory and I go by the brand name Trendy Vintage Classic. I am a reseller on places like eBay, Poshmark, Mercari, Facebook Marketplace, Kidizen, really anywhere that I can sell something. Today I'm doing a quick video showing you guys my Goodwill Bins outlet haul. For those of you who don't know about the Goodwill outlets, I'll show you a picture up above. It can get pretty crazy. It's crowded. Everything that doesn't sell or surplus donations get thrown into these big bins, and you can't touch the bins until they're all lined up. And when they say go, you just dig in and really just try to find what you're looking for. So usually, I don't have much luck at my bins with shoes. I don't know about the bins you go to, but shoes are very scarce and there's a lot of competition because there is a greater profit margin for shoes a lot of times than, say, tops or shorts. So people are really going for them. So I went a different day this week. I actually went on Saturday. I never go anywhere on Saturday because I don't like crowds. And I expected it to be very crowded, but I got there super early and there were like 5 bins filled with shoes, to my surprise. That never happens. Usually there's like one bin and then it gets picked over and then you'll have random shoes here and there, one shoe, and never find the match. That did happen to me with an UGG and I was upset. Anyway, I just want to highlight the 11 shoes that I found. I did pay 88 cents per pound, so these shoes cost me about $1 each on average, which is amazing. So my favorite find was this pair of Uggs. They're leather sandals with the suede here. You can see in there, and they have like a strappy thing. I will find the stock photo for this. It straps around your ankle. Leather shoes and sandals do really well, and especially the brand name UGG. So you all know that, but I just want to highlight that I was so excited when I found these and that they were both together. I have to say the workers that day were doing an amazing job sorting through and putting rubber bands around matches that they had found. So I was so excited when I found those, and it was kind of one of my first finds. So you kind of know when you're gonna get lucky. So the next pair that I really like, I actually wanted to keep these for myself. These are, okay, they're square toe, which that's the style, square toe, almond toe, pointy toe. They're taller knee boots. I want to keep them for myself because they are size 7.5. As you can see, I did not take off any of they were from TJ Maxx, any of the writing on it. So they must have gone from TJ Maxx to Marshalls, I suppose. But they are aerosoles, which are comfort shoes, and this rubber sole, this rubber bottom is really good in the black type heel. It's comfortable. This is definitely my style. They are a little too small on me. I did try them on since they are brand new. Literally, to find brand new shoes at the bins and get them for $1, that's amazing. You really can't beat that. And it's happened to me more than once. I always smell the leather. These are leather. And comfort women's shoes do really well. Keep that in mind. Sometimes the uglier the better. I don't mean to be like that, but like I don't particularly like this style of shoe, for example. This is Born. I do love Born, or BOC. It's sometimes Born of Concept. I do love them because I do love being comfortable. But as you can see, these have a leather upper and it's not worn on the back. Pretty flower design here. So these are a size 8 and they're in pretty decent condition. Yes, you can see on the footbed some marks, but that is typical for these type of shoes, such as Birkenstocks. These will do really well. They can be funky, chunky, comfortable leather. Women's comfort shoes do well. I always put orthopedic in the title if it is specifically a comfort shoe. And on that note, I did find, what do you think? Dansko's leather Dansko booties. Now these are super cool because they are booties. They have a side zip here, the leather bottom, the little buckles. There is no wear on the hardware at all. These say made in Portugal, and they are a Euro size 40, which will be about a size 10. These are in great condition. And you know, if you sell Danskos, you know that you can sell some pretty beat Danskos because their quality is so amazing and so comfortable. It doesn't lose any of that with wear. So I have sold beat Danskos for $40. So these are really great condition. I love the height of this heel, and I have not listed them. I will have to see what I'm gonna list them for, but they will do well and they'll sell. They're a little heavier, so maybe I paid about $2 total for them, but really you can't, come on, you can't beat that. So these still have the Goodwill tag on them. They were trying to sell them for $10. Clark's is also a really well-made women's shoe. Another comfort brand. There's the suede inside. And if you can see, the leather is really pretty. It's really in great condition. It's a nice burgundy color with a bow tie type of front there. And these, honestly, I'm not crazy. I like smelling things. That's how I know the leather smells great. They don't smell like they've been worn. Like if you look at the bottom, this is amazing. Like they don't really look worn. They look gently used. So Clark's can be expensive. So I was very excited to find these like little, almost like ballet little flats, except they have a little heel here. So next we have these memory foam little animal print snakeskin booties. I also wanted to keep these. They have a little black heel. And you know, guys, don't sleep on Target brands because Target stays up on the trends. They know, like, and I have a pair of Target booties that I've had for like 8 years. They're like suede booties. They were probably $20 and they're my favorite go-to. So these, again, smell brand new, guys. Literally, I don't see any wear at all. These are a size 8. They will be listed soon in my store if you are interested. These I won't sell for a super ton, but couldn't leave them behind. They're adorable. And to think that some brand new shoes would just end up in a landfill kills me. So, had to grab them all. Next, I really like these because this quilted style, like this quilted puffer type of style, almost like the quilted puffer jackets, is super trendy as well. And wedge boots, who doesn't love a good wedge boot? They're so comfortable, the rubber sole. These are Bandolino. I don't know if it's showing up. They're Bandolino. Again, these look barely worn. Smell good. Seriously, guys, so I have to smell them because I have this Clorox fabric sanitizer that is color safe. And I do spray the inside of my shoes because a fungus, etc., smell regardless of where I get them. And some of these don't even need to be sprayed, but I'll spray them anyway. So anyway, these are super cute. I have to get these listed right away because the season for this is winding down. So yeah. And then I have these. So I love finding Steve Madden. Steve Madden is just a very consistent seller. Now these are some duck boots. They weren't in great condition, but sometimes people like these type of boots to do some outdoor work. And if they're a size 8 and I could fit that in like 7.5, 8. So they smell good. So if they don't sell, I would keep these for myself, maybe to do some work in the yard. They're waterproof, so that's always good. But I believe they'll sell, just not for a ton because of the extra wear, unless I can try to get that out. You guys know I hate working on dirty shoes. That's why this trip was super exciting, since everything was squeaky clean. Now last, I was very intrigued when I saw these. I could tell right off the bat that they were like snow boots, skiing boots, or what have you. Even though there's like no thing on the bottom. I'm not a like winter sport person, but I do like to watch it. So these are called Aero Gear, and they smell very fresh, and the colors are very pretty. The bottoms look amazing. So if these had been Burton, obviously that would have been like a huge score, but this is just kind of a basic brand. They're in excellent condition. They do feel to be well made. They're almost like a cast. I'm gonna do a little bit more research, but from what I saw, I think I can only sell them for about $25, which is totally fine. I'd rather get $20 for them than them go to a landfill. So that is all for my shoes. I did buy like 3 bags of clothes. I also had purses. I just wanted to highlight what an amazing, awesome shoe day it was at the bins for me. And thank you so much for watching. Make sure to subscribe and like, leave a comment below. What has been your most amazing shoe bin find for you? Thank you guys. Bye. Okay, so I actually forgot these. Maybe because I'm not sure what they are, so. It says Ross Homerson. I could tell they were well made, and they have the square toe, which like I said is in style. Look at the patent leather wedge. It looks unused. Very amazing little buckle. There is no wear on the leather, and this is leather. So I am going to, it's also a great learning opportunity when you can grab things. I'm gonna look this up and see about this name brand and see what it's worth and pop it up above. These are a size 10. They're super cute. You know, we're getting ready for Easter and spring. So make sure you guys check out my Poshmark closet. I have my links below. And as always, thank you for watching. Bye.